In prime-time news this evening, senior cop injured in deadly shootout speaks for the first time. I did nothing wrong. Man involved in altercation with JDF soldiers claims innocence. And is the monitoring system to track returning citizens in self-quarantine working?
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you think can be done to improve citizens' interaction with the security forces?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.